I'd like to welcome all of those attending. Thanks for your interest in the program. They say that OneNote is one of Microsoft's best-kept secrets. And so today we are going to take a look at it. We're going to do an overview of the application. You know, OneNote is an application used for note-taking, but not really just note-taking in the most simplistic sense, but as a means of collecting and organizing all types of data. So we're going to be talking about all of that in detail. You'll see how that works. We're going to create a notebook from scratch, and we're going to review the OneNote tools so that you can make the most use of it. Tagging and searching notes is something that makes OneNote fairly unique. It's a great way of being able to find information that you've entered. We'll talk about how to print notes, and we'll talk about the integration with Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook. OneNote is extremely integrated through all of the Office applications, and I don't know if you've been noticing the OneNote buttons on your other ribbons, but hopefully now that you are taking the class, you will start seeing those readily and making use of them. And then we're going to talk about sharing notebooks, because that's another one of the good, strong features about OneNote, is that you can collaborate on it. People can work on it simultaneously. So getting on with the program, we're going to begin with our overview of OneNote. So many people who I work with when I ask about OneNote have no idea what I'm talking about. They've never even heard of it. So how can you even find OneNote to start using it? How do you even know if you have OneNote? Well, if you are on a Windows 8 machine, at your start screen level, you can simply type OneNote. And for those of you who are using Windows 8 machines, you probably know that the default find in Windows 8 is for applications. So I did not click at all. I just showed my Windows screen, started typing OneNote. It pops up, I press enter, and I'm in OneNote now. For those of you who do not have Windows 8, if you still have a start button at the bottom left corner of your screens on your regular desktop screen, you can click on the Start button or press your Window key, and you will see a search box sitting at the bottom with a cursor flashing in it. You can type OneNote there and press Enter, and it will pop up at the top of the list on the left side of your screen.